There are a lot of extra, unnecessary things in our life. Do you really need them all? Rubber duck? Seriously? All that you really need can fit in one bag. Breather, timeless, classic briefcase. We created this bag with great attention on your EDC kits and everyday needs. Key holder, pin holder, card holder, section for small things and business cards, a place for any size laptop charger, cord organizer for wires and headphones, well-covered section for laptop and iPad. Everything would be in the right place and easy to get out. Our company doesn't use natural leather. We use water-resistant, fireproof, crash-proof material. We create not only beautiful and comfortable bags, but also practical and reliable ones for you. Everything you need, just in your hand. Leave a place to live the life. No more, no less. Only what you need.
Typical bags are not built for travel. They lack organization, are comprised of cheap and heavy materials causing rips and broken zippers, and finding the right compartment for your belongings can be tiresome. They are not built to last, and you deserve better. At our Toronto HQ, we believe that we have come up with a solution. An ergonomic backpack and briefcase. Introducing the Flypack, a 48 hours travel briefcase, offering unrivaled versatility, access, convenience, and organization. We are vank. We make bags for creative and adventurous people. Within the last 5 years, we have delivered over 200,000 bags to people all around the world. We introduced the first beautiful collection in 2013, fine bags made with innovative fabrics. And the last one, Vank Transformer A. But we didn't stop there. Meet the most innovative bag we ever created. The 48 Hours Flypack offers 15 features. This German-made, eco-friendly fabric is waterproof, dustproof, and cut-proof. It's not just a regular backpack, but a posture-friendly backpack. Research shows 75% of office workers suffer from back pain. 40% of them caused by incorrect posture and carrying heavy loads. Now, let's move on to the features. The bag is designed for 48 hours use. Thoughtful organization is everything. The bag separates into two main sections. The main space is a luggage-inspired compartment which fits enough clothes for 2 days of traveling. On the other panel is your toiletry bags. With the Flypack, you no longer need bulky toiletry bags, the two small pockets are 100% waterproof, yet breathable. It fits your toothbrush, shampoo, and more. And the bag is secured with world-class YKK zippers. The inner section is designed for your portable devices, an expandable laptop compartment, several small pockets to organize all of your electronic accessories, cables, chargers, pens, USB, another concealed zipper pocket to keep all your important documents. And did we mention the RFID pocket? To give you a level of security to block credit card thefts. We do everything to minimize your carrying. You don't need a bulky passport holder. We designed a dedicated compartment to hold your passports and everything you need along with it. The Flypack, a 48 hours travel briefcase.
What if there was a bag so adaptable that you could simply take it anywhere? Inspired by the shape of classic messengers and briefcases, we began reimagining our expectations based on today's needs. Whether it will be your work bag, camera bag, or airplane carry-on, you just know the 48-hour classic is up for the task. As passionate photographers, we knew it was key to have instant access to our gear. Easily open it with one hand to switch between lenses or take out your camera so that you never miss a shot again. You know that feeling when you seem to run out of space and you find that extra hidden compartment? Because there is no single ideal size, the 48-hour classic adapts to your needs by expanding by up to 70%. With function in mind, the all-round zip gives you full access to the interior, making it ideal for your daily commutes as well as overnight travels. The all-leather strap will turn it from a briefcase to a messenger or into a backpack for a comfortable commute on your bike or long walks when you want to free up your hands. With a discreet, classic yet modern design, you will feel on top wherever your day takes you. Handcrafted from premium leather, the 48-hour classic is everything you would expect from a premium bag and much more. Let's bring back the durable, well-designed items, and let's do it together. Thank you.
Mobile devices propel us forward, but they have one critical flaw: low battery performance. Legion Concepts proudly introduces the ultimate device charging briefcase. With an integrated 10,000 mAh removable battery, charge your smartphone 5 times or tablet 1 time. Our lifestyles are tied to our mobile devices, and we want to deliver a new communication experience. Freeing ourselves from outlet hugging or looking for coffee shops just to charge our phones. And it's our goal to bring new life to your devices and make your life simple. With 4 iOS and Android-friendly charging pockets, simply plug your briefcase directly into any outlet and top off overnight or throughout the day without removing the internal battery or your devices. Included is a computer cable sleeve for fast and simple access. For quick overnight trips, there is room for a change of clothes and documents, and a TSA section enables a checkpoint-friendly experience. The ultimate device charging briefcase is tough. We've used YKK zippers, simply the best in the world. With the 1680D ballistic nylon outer shell, This bag is durable and water resistant, and the red nylon inner material is fashionable yet functional. I've worked all over the world in the property and consulting industries over the past 10 years. With heavy client-facing roles, my smartphone needs to be charged before 11 a.m. I use my devices to find my way to client offices, hotels, accessing customer data, conducting last-minute research, updating social media, getting real-time answers throughout the day, and staying in touch with family and friends is also crucial. Our team created the ultimate day-to-day device charging briefcase. With a USB cable management system integrated into the bag, you'll always be organized and connected.